In today's video, we'll show you how to download and log into MT5 5. First things first, if you haven't registered with Hola Prime yet, make sure to do that. After purchasing an account, you'll receive the login credentials on your registered email address. You can also find them on your dashboard under the Overview section. Now, let's download the platform. Just click the platform link here, and the file for the MT5 desktop version will be downloaded to the system. Once you've installed and opened the platform, this is the default MT5 layout you will see. Alternatively, for logging in, go to File in the top left corner of the platform. Click on Open an Account. Select Hola Prime Limited. If it doesn't show up, just type the same in the search bar. Click Next. Now, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Enter your login credentials and select the server Hola Prime Server 1. Click Finish and you're in. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.